Create a new flow. Click on Add New button. Give a name. Then click on Add. To add message, click on Add Sequence. Enter the first message that will be displayed to the user. We have multiple response types. First one is keyword and AI. Second one is buttons. Third one is text input custom rule. Fourth one is text input regex rule. Fifth one is special action. Let's go with buttons first. Let's add yes and no button. Submit it. First flow message has been created. As we click on the bot now, you can see the displayed message. If we click on yes and no, we can see that there is a default message. To make the conversation continue, let's add the another flow sequence for yes button. Let's write OK. What you need help with? Choose keyword and AI. Based on the keywords, let's write the intentful words, like sales, marketing funnels. Another intent would be support, tech, then hit submit. This is the second flow sequence. For no button, we will show all right thanks. This will be the last message in flow. Then we need to connect these flow sequence to enable the user side of chatbot. Attach the yes sequence, then attach the no sequence. So now when we refresh our bot, and we click on yes, we can see that its message popped up.